The other day I mentioned that not all Pong files, that's PNG files, are not completely transparent. Now I'm going to demonstrate that to you today, and I'm going to show you a way to fix it. I have two Pong files here, and I know y'all seen this dog before. Okay, anyway, the first one I'm going to bring in is going to be the dog with the transparent background. And when I hover over that, you can see that that is a PNG file right there. Okay, right there. And you see that the Windows thing popped up and it says it's a PNG file. Now, let me drag him in there for you. And you see there's no background behind him because you can see through it. And okay, so now let me remove him out of there. So that's a dog with that's a Pong file that's the background is completely transparent. All right, now my other one is a Pong file just like that one was, but it's not completely transparent. There is a background on it, as you will see. There you are. You see he has a background around it, and this is indeed a PNG file. Again, if I hover my mouse over that, you see that my Windows thing identifies it as a PNG file, just a different size than the other one was. So yes, he is a Pong file. Okay, I can shrink that down there. So let's talk about what we can do to fix our Pong file to make it the way we need it to be. VSDC has a tool that removes backgrounds, and it's called Background Remover. If I left click on my dog down here in the timeline, come up here to Video Effects, left click on Video Effects, come to drop down to Transparency, come over and then come down to Background Remover, then our Object Position Settings window opens, and we just need to click OK because we're doing it from the whole parent duration and add a new layer, and we click OK. Alright, so now what we need to do is left click on the Background Remover, right click on it, and then Properties. Or we could have just went over here where it says Properties and clicked on it, and sometime or another we'll get around with really talking about that Properties box. That's some good stuff. But anyway, now what we want to do is come over here to the Properties box to where this green thing is. Actually, I shouldn't say that. I should say you should come over here to where it says Chroma Key Color. Alright, right where it says Chroma Key Color. Alright, right there. And right now that box is green. We're going to change that. If we come over a little bit further, let me click on it so that it showed up. Okay, once I did that, then you see those three dots over there by the right there where my mouse is over. I'll move it out the way. Those three dots, we want to click on those dots. Now when I click that, the dialog box is going to pop up over here. Okay, and what we do in this box is select our color that we want removed out of here. Now I can either use the eyedropper right there and drag it to where I want, or I can select it over here. So I'm gonna take the eyedropper and do it. I didn't tell you what I did. I left click on the eyedropper and I'm dragging it over here, and then I release it, and it selects that color. And then all I have to do is click OK, and it's on. That's how you can do it. Now just remember, when you do this, if you want the Pong file to show on top of the video, your dog Pong has got to be above your video, above your background. See, your background is down here, and let me name him Dog. Dog. Right here. The one that's on top is the one that's going to be seen. Remember we talked about in the order of visibility? The one on top is the one that's going to be seen. Y'all have a good day. Next time around, we're going to do the video about the clipping mask, actually using the clipping mask this time, because we talked about making it the last time. And after that, we're going to make a video about using masks and using inverted masks. Alright, y'all, come again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.